This video is about the explanation of different types of motors you can find in your vintage fans. There are several kinds. The two on the left, these are basically called shaded pole motors, and the right is a permanent split capacitor motor. The device you see up here is your run capacitor, which makes the motor more efficient and provides more startup torque. Unlike shaded pole motors, they have a very low starting torque. Once the motor gets up to speed, there is an inefficiency in the motor. Basically, these are the shading coils right here of this motor. That is the shaded pole of this motor. Similar to in this motor, there is a shaded pole where actually get a copper winding inside this motor for each pole. That's what makes this motor more inefficient, because it will draw more amps. So, if you want to have a more efficient motor, you might want to go with these, a permanent split capacitor motor. But most of the times, you might want to go with a permanent split capacitor motor, because if you're a vintage fan collector like me, this motor will save you more and more dollars in your electric bill. Well, nowadays, most of these motors are being phased out with electronically commutated motors, or ECM motors, or DC brushless motors, because they're more efficient. The only drawback is to the ECM motors, they can go bad, but most of the times, if you want to go energy efficient, you might want to use one of these permanent split capacitor motors. And basically, like I said, this motor is universal. You can change the rotation on this motor to set up your fan in a similar fashion. Hopefully this guys helps. Thank you for watching.